1, 2, 3. Hey, what is that stuff?
Hi, what was that?
What is that stuff?
Oh, this is a cleaner, and this is a sealer.
Is it like a wax?
No, waxes are designed for clean paint jobs. If you look at this paint job here, it's oxidized, it's tarnished, it's in bad shape. Listen to this. That's the sound of a dirty paint job. So what's needed here is not a car wax. What's needed here is a paint cleaner, and that's what this is. It's called Lukat Fix-It Color and Gloss Restore Polish. You put this on. Now, I like using a terry cloth towel. Don't do circles because there's no wax in this. What you do is just go back and forth. You clean the same spot. So the objective here is to clean the paint so that you can detail it again. A lot of times when your paint job gets old and oxidized, if you simply wax over it, you're going to mask it and it's going to get worse over time. Now, this is the kind of paint job. It's an old metallic base coat. This is like pre-88. And you see what's happening? So think of it as a deep cleaner, not a cutter. You can remove the buildup, the contamination, and oxidation. Okay, can you bring that camera up closer so I can you see the reflection? Can you see the bottle's reflection in here? Okay, but listen to this. There's no shine in this. See, it tells you right there it's not a wax. This is a paint cleaner that's been cleaned. There's no wax here. It's squeaky clean. So you want to use this to bring back the original state of the paint job. Then this one here is what we call a sealer wax. Okay, so this is different from regular wax. It's not for shine and pop. This is for sealing the paint, protecting it, removing swirls and stuff like that. Now, you always want to use a separate towel because the cleaner breaks down the contamination and old waxes, but this is going to seal it. You're going to put this on, work it into the paint, and let it dry. Okay. I mean, that just kind of like soaked it up. It's pretty cool. So I'm going to add a little bit more. And this you want to let set for about 10-20 minutes because it cures on your paint job and it leaves a really tough glossy shell. I like using terry cloth towels if you're doing this by hand because it works a lot more effective. I use a microfiber towel for the removal, but you don't have to. But don't use microfiber towels to do this because they take the wetness out of it. Now this is all dried up. Can you see the reflection of the bottle? You know, and again, this is clean. Now, here's the most important part about these two products. This is going to clean the contamination off, bring back the original color and shine or gloss. It's still there. This is going to preserve it and protect it. You use this once a year, twice a year, 3 times a year. It's up to you. But now you can use regular waxes. You can use all those awesome waxes that are out there, and it's going to work. Because if you try waxing this over here, it's going to turn white and get stuck. Over here, it's going to work because, listen, it's smooth and shiny again. So get your bottle today at lukatdetail.com. Call us at the phone number we have it'll be on the video somewhere. But this is the cleaner, that's the sealer. This fixes your paint. This is permanent. This is not going to wash off because we didn't put a shine on, we cleaned it. This is the remaining color and gloss. So check us out at lukatdetail.com. This is the best stuff for an old paint job, guys. It brings it back, and now you can wax them, and it doesn't wash off. It's permanent. Later.